Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to swap out an iPhone 14 Pro Max screen without ever seeing that annoying unknown part warning. Since the iPhone XS, replacing a screen or battery has always triggered a pop-up telling you it's an unknown part. It doesn't stop your phone working, but it does make customers worrying. Is this a dodgy part? Could it damage my phone? And when I resell, why would anyone pay full price for a device flagged as non-genuine? Well, PolarTech's new diagnostic screen changes the game. It's on par with Apple's own service replacement. It auto-diagnoses, doesn't need you to transplant the original screen IC, and best of all never shows that unknown part alert. You get an original feel display with true tone built in and zero data writing required. Let's dive into the steps. Pop those two pentalobe screws out and stick them onto a magnetic screw mat. They're different lengths, so keeping them organized saves a headache later. Shut the phone off, then place two self-heating magic pads onto the screen. Give it 10 minutes so the adhesive softens. Once it's warm, slide an ultra-thin metal card into the gap around the display. Drip a little isopropyl alcohol in there to break down the glue. Work the card around all four edges until the screen lifts free. If it still sticks, add a touch more alcohol. Carefully hinge it up from the side with the power button. Watch out for the delicate sensor and display flex cables. Unscrew and lift off the little metal cover, then disconnect the battery to keep everything safe. Clip the new PolarTech screen into place, reconnect the battery, and power the phone back on. Upgrade to iOS 18 or later. If you haven't already, update to the latest iOS. Once it boots, you'll see a prompt. Finish your display repair. Tap it, then choose Restart and finish repair. The phone will jump into its diagnostic mode. Follow the on-screen steps. You'll see part is genuine pop-up, then it will download your original true tone and color calibration data straight from Apple servers. After it restarts, that pesky unknown part message is gone. You can even go to settings greater than general greater than about greater than service history to see the replacement logged with date. Power off again, peel off the old sensor flex from the old screen, their fragile heat and a little alcohol help here. Transfer it to the new screen, apply fresh waterproofing gasket if you've got it, snap everything back together, and screw the pentalobes back in. And that's it, a fully diagnosed, True Tone-enabled screen replacement just like Apple's own workshop. No more doubts, no more warnings, and full resale value intact. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing.